Hello and welcome to week 2 of the Beachcombing Blanket crochet along. I'm Eleonora, the designer behind Coastal Crochet, and all the details about this blanket can be found over on my blog, Coastal Crochet, and the links are in the description below. And so now we're moving on to round 10. And round 10 asks us to join yarn B to any outer right stitch of any side. And the outer right stitch is the very last stitch on the right hand side of any side. So it's this one here. This is the outer right stitch. Insert your hook into that very outer right stitch and join with yarn B. And then it tells us to make one chain. Now this one chain, this counts as the first double crochet, US single crochet of this next round. So you might want to put a stitch marker in there to make it really clear that's where you need to crochet into at the end of the round. So if you look at the instructions, we've got some instructions in brackets now, and it says miss 2 stitches. So we miss the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then it tells us to do 5 treble, that's US double crochet, into the next stitch. So miss 2 stitches, miss 1, miss 2, 5 treble into the next stitch. And what we're creating in this round is shells. This is a basic shell stitch. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, and that's 5. So 5 treble, US double crochet, all into the same stitch. And then if you look at the instructions, it tells us to miss 2 stitches. So miss 1, 2, and then do 1 double crochet, so US single crochet in the next stitch. And you can see there we've created our first shell. And it says to the end of the side, so everything in the brackets we do to the end of the side. So I'm just at the end of the side. I've done my last 5 treble US double crochet. I'm missing 2 stitches, and then I'm doing 1 double crochet US single crochet in the next stitch. And as you can see, there's 4 shells going across the side. And then it tells us to do 7 treble in the corner chain space. So simply work 7 treble directly into that corner chain space, US double crochet stitches. 6 and 7. So I've worked 7 treble, US double crochet, all into that corner chain space. And then it tells us to do 1 double crochet, US single crochet in the next stitch. You might just want to pull that shell's 7 treble back a little bit so it's not hiding that first stitch of the next side, because there's the first stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, US single crochet, and then again, just like on the first side, we've got something in brackets there, and repeat that to the end of the side. So I'm on the final repeat of the final side. So I'm missing 2 stitches, 5 treble into the next stitch, 1 and 5, miss 2 stitches, 1, 2, 1 double crochet, US single crochet in the final stitch of the side, and then it's 7 treble, US double crochet in the corner chain space, 1 and 7. And remember that that first chain we worked, the very first chain of the round, counted as our first double crochet, our first US single crochet of the side of the round. So we now slip stitch to the first chain to join. So go under both the strands from that starting chain and work a slip stitch. And then we fasten off. Now you can see round 10, we have 4 shells on each side, with the larger 7 treble shell in each corner. So moving on to round 11, and we're going to join yarn G to the central treble of any outer right shell of any side. So if you have a closer look, it's the outer right shell of the side, this one here, not the shell in the corner, so not the corner 7 treble shell, but the outer right shell of any side, so this one here. And each shell is made up of 5 stitches, and so we're joining our yarn, so insert your hook into the central stitch of that outer right shell and join with yarn G. And then we make one chain, which counts as our first double crochet, US single crochet of this round. And now we miss 2 stitches, 1, 2, so miss the 2 stitches from the shell, and into the next stitch we work 5 treble or 5 US double crochet, and the next stitch, missing 2, is that double crochet that we did in round 10. So that's the stitch you're going to be inserting your hook into and working 5 treble or 5 US double crochet, all into that same stitch. That's 3, 4 and 5. So you've worked 5 treble US double crochet into that stitch, and now we miss 2 stitches, so we miss 1, miss 2, and then it's a double crochet, US single crochet into the next stitch, which will be the central stitch of the next shell. So if you look now, what we're doing is we're creating shells in between the shells that we made in round 10. And so everything in the brackets we repeat to the end of the side, so we miss 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then 5 treble US double crochet all into the next stitch, and 5, miss 2 stitches, 1, 2, 1 double crochet, US single crochet into the next stitch. So now you can see I've worked 2 shells, and we continue to the end of the side. At the end of the side I'm on the final repeat, and I've just worked 5 treble shell, so I'm missing 2 stitches and working 1 double crochet, US single crochet in the next stitch. So I've repeated everything in the brackets to the end of the side, and this is what the first side looks like. And then it tells us to make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and then miss 1 stitch. So miss this stitch here, which will be the central stitch of this 7 treble shell that we made in round 10. Miss 1 stitch, and then 1 double crochet, US single crochet into the next stitch. And what we're doing there is we've created a corner at the edge of the work. And so now we repeat from star 3 times. So go back to where the star is in the written pattern, and you can see we're just repeating what we've already done. I've repeated everything 3 times, so worked around 4 times in total. But we still have 1 more shell to make. So if you look at the instructions, we've done the repeats, but then after that it still says to miss 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then work 5 treble or 5 US double crochet into the next stitch, 1, and 5, and then miss 2 stitches, 1, 2, and remember that first chain that we made at the start of the round, that counted as our first double crochet US single crochet stitch, so we're going to be slip stitching into that. So miss 1, 2 stitches, and then slip stitch into that first chain to close the round and to join. And this is what the end of round 11 looks like. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shells on each side. Moving on to round 12, and in round 12 it tells us to join with yarn C into any corner chain space, and the corner chain spaces are these little spaces here that we created by making 3 chain between the double crochet US single crochets in round 11. So insert your hook into any one of those corner chain spaces and join with yarn C. And then we make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. That counts as our first treble US double crochet stitch. And if you look at the pattern, it says to work 2 treble, that's 2 US double crochet, followed by 2 chain, 1, 2, and then 3 treble, that's 3 US double crochet, all into that same corner chain space. We've created our first corner like so. And now if you look at the instructions, we've got some brackets and we've got quite long brackets. So everything that we do in the brackets we're going to do, but we're going to be doing it 5 times in total. So it starts at the beginning of the brackets and it tells us to miss the next double crochet stitch. So miss this stitch here, but instead work 1 double treble, which is where you wrap your yarn around the hook twice, into the same stitch which it's worked into from round 10. So miss this stitch, but work a double treble into the same stitch that it's worked into in round 10. So round 11 was our orange yarn G. Here, yarn B, this was round 10, and that's the stitch we're going to be working into. The same stitch that we're actually missing, we're going to be working a double treble. And now we're going to carry on around the shell and work in the back loops only. So in the next stitch, the back loop only, we're going to be working 1 treble, which is a US double crochet. Then in the back loop of the next stitch, we're working a half treble, US half double crochet. In the next stitch, back loop only, we're working 1 double crochet, US single crochet, then 1 half treble, US half double crochet, and then a treble stitch, US double crochet. And if you have a look, we've gone all the way around the shell into the back loops only. And so now we've come to the end of those brackets, and so everything in the brackets we're doing 5 times. So if you look, we go back to the beginning of the brackets where it says to miss the next stitch. So miss the next stitch, the double crochet stitch from round 11, and instead work the double treble. So wrap your yarn over the hook twice, and then we're working that double treble into the same stitch that the stitch you're missing is worked into. So into that same stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through to the front. You've got 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. A double treble is a US treble stitch. And so now it tells us to go around the shell, working in the back loops only of each stitch, and then we carry on to the end of the side. So I've just completed the 5th repeat, so I've gone along and worked that repeat 5 times. I've just gone around this shell, and now at the end of the side we just have miss next double crochet stitch, and then we're working 1 double treble, US treble, into that same stitch that it's worked into from round 10, and complete the double treble stitch. And there we go, that's the end of the first side. And if you look now, what it says is to work 3 treble, 2 chain, 3 treble, all into the corner chain space, and we've worked our second corner. So now you can see we've done 2 corners, and then we've leveled off those shells across that side. And now if you look at the instructions, it says repeat from star 3 times. So go back to where the star is, which is the start of our first brackets, and then do everything which is in the brackets 5 times across to the end of the side. And so I've repeated everything in the brackets 5 times, and then I still have 1 more stitch to miss. So miss the next stitch, miss this little double crochet stitch here, and then work the double treble, US treble, into the stitch it's worked into below. So work that double treble stitch as normal. And there we go. So where it says repeat from star 3 times, ending final repeat at star star. As you can see, I'm now at star star. I've done our final repeat and I'm ending there. And then what it tells us to do is to do a slip stitch to the top of the first 3 chain. So the first 3 chain that we worked at the start of the round, slip stitch into there to join and fasten off. End of round 12 looks like we've straightened the edge at the top of those shells and worked these longer stitches in between them to separate the shells, and I think it looks really, really lovely. So that's the end of round 12 and the end of this tutorial. The following rounds can be found in a separate tutorial, and I hope you found this one useful. Thank you so much for watching.